What's up YouTube, it's Sofan from TechCycle. In this video I'm going to share you guys 3 legitimate reasons to rethink your choice of buying LG G7 ThinQ. You guys get that right? Rethink. So about this reason, if you have been following me on Twitter, I have already posted this reason on there, but I thought of making a video about that. So about this reason is not really into LG G7 ThinQ, it's mainly into LG smartphone department. Also, it's from my past experience of using or current experience of using LG G4. So the reason number 1 is that if you're a person who need to unlock the bootloader, who need to install custom OS, you need to buy the LG G7 ThinQ international variant. LG will release lot of variant, but you need to purchase the international variant because LG only allow unlocking the bootloader of international variant. They will not support any other variant to be unlocked, that is their bootloader being unlocked. They will not support that, so go for the international variant. If you can't get an international variant, go buy another device if you are into all those unlocking custom OS, routing, modding stuff, things. You guys understand. And about the second reason, it's about Android Q on LG G7 ThinQ. It's because LG is not going to support Android Q on your LG G7 ThinQ. I'm not saying blindly, it's from my past experience of using LG G4. Because LG G4 is their flagship model on 2016, I think. On that device, they given only one major OS update, that is from Lollipop to Marshmallow. In that case, you are going to get Android P on February, March, that range only. You are not going to get it very soon or it will be late. It's LG, their software department is very lag. So if you want to experience Android Q, get an international variant, so you can get a custom Android Q on your LG G7 ThinQ. If you want to experience LG's Android Q, you will not have luck to use that. And about the third reason, it is their LG's choice. It's because LG is giving only 3000 mAh battery for this LG G7 ThinQ. I know it is Snapdragon 845, it got quick charge 4.0 and you can plug it on 10 minutes and you will get 50% of charge, but it's not going to be efficient for you guys, because on my usage I got a quick charge 2.0 on my LG G4 and it's got 3000 mAh battery and a quad HD display, that is 2K display on my LG G4, and it can last only for about maximum 3 hours or 4 hours. It's in that middle. It's in that range. So on LG G7 you are getting a super bright display. If you enable the super bright display, your battery is going to drain like water. So if you consider buying LG G7 ThinQ, you should check out these 3 reasons. Apart from these 3 reasons, I really like the LG G7 ThinQ because it got a super slim, great design. It's only from the specs, from the post and from videos from SuperSaf, MKBHD, Danny, and from all those guys. So it's from there. I really like the design, really love the camera because they're in my LG G4 they got a great camera. And talking about the speaker, that is boombox speaker, my LG G4 don't have the boombox speaker, but it's great. The speaker is loud as hell, so it's going to be like that in the LG G7 ThinQ, so you can go for that. It's going to be great for you guys. On the speaker side, I'm with LG G7 ThinQ, and on camera, I really don't know about more about camera. You can get more details from all those guys who is reviewing the device. So that's all about the rethinking, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you think this video sucks, hit that button. If you think this video was awesome, hit the like button and stick with us.